Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jazz. My husband and I garden in Zone 8A in Dallas, Texas, and we sell at our local farmers market in Dallas, Texas. And together we were able to turn our flower business into a six-figure business within 6 months. So in this video, we're going to be showing you how to make a market bouquet, a $20 bouquet, quick and easy for your customers to grab. That way your flower farm could be profitable. And I also wanted to share with you guys, my house plant is flowering. I just had my tooth pulled a couple of days ago, so I may sound a little strange, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So here's my house plant that's flowering. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Build a quick $20 market bouquet. So I'm just going to start with the greenery here. In case you're wondering how much to charge for greenery and things like that, I would say greenery is about $1. So you're going to start with, we have our greenery here. So say this is $1. And then we have just our extra zinnias here that are pretty spent. So we're just going to use these as reference. So these are not sellable zinnias. These are just going to be used for reference. Okay, so we have $1 here. And your annuals, like your zinnias, your cosmos, things that grow fast, that are cut, come again, that grow quickly, they don't have, like you're not spending over 90 days trying to grow it, you can go ahead and charge $1 to $1.50, whatever you're comfortable with charging, but you do want to make a profit. All right, so right now we have $2, 3, and I'm not placing, these as a bouquet. This is just as reference. So 2, 3. So if you're charging $1 for each zinnia here, we're going to show you what that bouquet looks like. Now too, if you're trying to sell $20 bouquets in the town that you live in, they're not really selling for $20. If you feel comfortable with making $10 bouquets or $10 mason jars, that way you still receive a profit, you can use this recipe as well. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this would be about $8 worth. And then if you're making the $10 recipe, okay, you can add this as another $1 and go ahead and pop that into a mason jar. So this will be $9 worth, and then you have your mason jar that you can stick it in, which will give you that $10 worth. So this is a good amount for if you're trying to sell those $10 bouquets. Now we're going to $20 here, so we're just gonna repeat the same thing. And this is just with using greenery, and say you can mix in some cosmos, some zinnias, just whatever quick growing annual that would be $1 worth. And 2, I'm not building this out as a perfect bouquet here, but just to show you your reference. So this is a pretty nice size if somebody's looking for that $20 bouquet range. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We're gonna keep going. 14, 15, 16. All right. So again, you're trying to build a $20 bouquet. If you're wrapping it, putting the sticker and ribbon and all of that, you still have to factor that into your cost. So I have, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so I have 16 stems here. That would be $16 worth. So you're going to trim that. You're going to factor in your labor. So the extra $4 wiggle room is going to give you your labor. It's going to also factor in, if you're using a jar, your ribbon, your bouquet wrap, your sticker, and that will be the $20 Market Bouquet worth. So again, if you missed it, we had 16 stems here. Even if you're placing it inside of a mason jar, you're probably going to wrap that mason jar, fresh water, you're going to wrap it with a ribbon, you're probably going to have your sticker. You probably paid $1 for that mason jar. So again, that $4 wiggle room is like your profit and your labor and also the materials that you use. So hope that helps you guys on how to build a $20 Market Bouquet. And again, this isn't placed, you know, but it shows you the amount of stems that could give you that $20 worth, especially if you're using annuals, quick growing, cut coming in annuals. Now let's build another one. Let's say we're adding a different flower here. So when you're building a $20 Market Bouquet, I would say perennials are $2 and up. So if you're growing solidago or just your different perennials, daisies, echinacea, you know, those take a full year to grow. That's more work, that's more labor. And two, look at the amount of flowers that's just in this one stem here. So I would say this would be $2 worth, so you can charge $2 and up. If you have your lilies here, that's $4 and up. You have dahlias, $4 and up. Roses, the same thing, because you're wanting to make a profit. If you're not selling in your town, then you may need to look over in that city that's about 15 to 20 minutes or 30 minutes if that's a comfortable drive for you. But you want to be making a profit off of your labor and your beautiful flowers that you're growing. So if your town isn't willing to pay $10 or $20 for your bouquet, then you look to the next city over. So right now we have 2, 3, 4. All right. Then let's say 5, $6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so this will be $10. This is super cute if you're wanting to put this inside of a mason jar. This is $10 worth. If you're wanting to sell $10 bouquets, then this is what you're looking at. If you have your perennials in there, $2, greenery, $1, annuals, $1. Okay, so I hope that helps you guys with pricing. And this is pretty cute. This is super cute for a $20 bouquet here. All right, and if you want to keep going, then you just add so on. So your zinnias $1. If you have cosmos, those are $1. Greenery, also $1. So hope this helps you, flower farmers, and just keep creating those beautiful flowers and bouquets. All right. So I really hope that this video helped you, and I do have several videos showing you how to set up for the market. So if you have questions on how to set up your booth for the market, I do have that. I also have videos of our flower shop, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave that below. So I hope this really helps you, flower farmers. You work hard and you deserve to profit off your beautiful work. So as always, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers. Keep growing.